John Matheson, CEO, co-founder of CLS, Software and Education Platform, here with Tim Bray. Tim, introduce yourself again.
Happy to be here. Thanks so much. Broker owner, Seaport Commercial, BS Real Estate and Urban Economics from UConn.
Awesome. So what we're going to talk about this morning is the CPA accounting professional and the benefits of what happens when you send an email in an advisor type of potential role. You send an email to clients like us. Business owner, real estate developer, business owner, commercial developer, commercial agent, right? So we get an email from a CPA. It's a warm introduction. What's going to happen? Are you going to open it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. Me too. So now, then when you tell us, hey, check out new software, what are we likely to do?
Well, look, they're in an advisory position, right?
Yep.
That's why we hire them.
Yep.
So when you get an email from your accountant, it's either one of two things, right? I mean,
right.
You're like, now
yeah,
I'll look
yeah,
this
exactly.
up.
Yeah, but that's what it is, right? Yeah.
But it's kind of like somebody sending that letter in the mail that's handwritten.
Right.
It's like when your CPA sends that, you're going to open it. It's
right.
not like it's going to go to a
That's
spam
it.
folder.
That's it. So now, and then it's software,
Right.
which as a business owner, let's face it, we all like.
Sure.
So we're always going to check out new software. So now it's do-it-yourself software that can also connect us with the accounting professional if we want. So now we're looking at this saying, whoa, let me check this out. So what happened when you checked it out?
Well, look, at first I'm skeptical because I'm thinking, okay, this is like Argus. This is some software package that I've got to go read a book on.
Yep.
But no, it's pretty darn simple back of the napkin calculations that can help you make decisions that will increase your income tremendously.
Well, and we're all looking for ways, me,
Right.
you, to connect with our customers
Right.
and add value to their day.
You just hit it.
Right.
You do that, but it's innate.
Right.
I do that, it's innate.
Right.
So when a CPA sends you something
Yeah.
off season,
Yeah.
by the way, then there's some massive value being
Sure
added
is.
in my mind from that CPA.
And you and I think are typical business owners. So for you accounting professionals out there, emailing us as potential clients that you're going to enhance the relationship with, or emailing us to connect with us to add value, saying check out software,
Look,
is just a, yeah.
The gentleman, the CPA that sent me this, since that time frame, I have sent him 3 more clients just because of that. So
There you have it.
it is what it is.
There you have it. It enhances business for everybody,
Yeah.
and it's one of the most positive things you can do. Thank you.